won the prizes here in their respective discipline. Well done, keep it up. I also like to congratulate 11th Arts who have won the annual championship. Sorry, 11th Commerce who have won the annual championship of the sports event. Well done, keep it up. More than the winners, I will also like to congratulate the participants who have participated in this event, because what is important is not the winning of the prizes but also the participation of the students in the event in which they want to excel. And I would like to advise all the students who have not participated in these sports to participate, take interest in all the events and participate. Whether you win or whether you don't win is not important.